Similarly to the railway networks of developed countries, there's a basic need in Hungary as well to keep railway passengers well informed with the goal of increasing the quality of travel by train. The fundamental interest of railway companies is to offer a real alternative for passengers who wish to use their services. We have come to expect 21st century rail travel to be fast, accurate, safe and comfortable. The challenge for companies is to deliver these requirements cost-effectively whilst offering customers satisfaction with a service which is continuously being enhanced with the increased availability of information. Real-time information is becoming the norm. One of the main objectives of Prolan Limited is to develop a modern-day train supervisory system as a basic tool for passenger information delivery. The development of the train supervisory system, the TSS, will surely bring value to passengers and railway companies alike. Two levels of the passenger information system can be specified, one for commuters and the other for intracity travellers. Providing complete service in travel information is a must for passengers wishing to plan their trips accurately. In the process of planning a trip, passengers are offered real-time information for purchasing tickets online. Similarly, there's a need to get real-time service information on board. This information is provided in the form of side-mounted carriage display panels, which are there to help passengers confirm destinations and locate seat allocations prior to departure. After departure, the task of the onboard passenger information system is to provide information about the next stop, the arrival time, the delay if any, the temperature inside the carriage, the available external services and the onward local connections at the next stop. Naturally, there are differences in the kind of information needed by commuters and long-distance train passengers. Due to the modular structure of the onboard equipment COE in the carriages, it can easily serve both applications. As the predecessor of this project, Prolan Limited developed and integrated a system known as the Advanced Locomotive Onboard Computer, LOC, which has served the countrywide technical supervision and fleet management of domestic locomotives since 2009. At present, the online supervision of the Hungarian Railways locomotive fleet, train traffic organisation, operation and maintenance are based on the continuous and faultless operation of this system. The LOC system has been integrated into the daily operation of MÁV, the Hungarian Railway Company. This system provides basic information on the geographical position, technical and operational status of the vehicles, as well as the particulars of the engine drivers entering into service. The life cycle of the LOC equipment, planned for an operational lifespan of 10 to 15 years, provides a secure foundation for the creation of an integrated and cooperative train supervisory system composed of an already existing LOC equipment and of an onboard carriage equipment still to be developed. After extensive market analysis and consultations with leading field experts, our company decided to start the TSS research and development project. To accomplish the project, a support contract was concluded between the National Development Agency and the Prolan Process Control Limited at the end of 2011. Thus, the main objectives of the research and development activity are as follows. The additional development of the LOC with an electronic timetable. The replacement of the paper-based operative timetable with a digital one creates significant economic advantages for the railway company. The cost saved by creating an operative digital timetable on the display unit of LOC as compared to the printed and distributed version for the loco drivers appears to be significant. The benefit of the electronic timetable is the time saved and the real-time delivery of this information to the drivers with the ability to modify it at short notice. The development of the COE, the carriage onboard equipment for voice and visual passenger information and for technical supervision. The main functions of the COE are as follows. Voice-based passenger information using the existing audio amplifiers in the carriages and extending the LOC with special audio controllers and speech memory modules. Visual passenger information, controlling the external information display panels and the internal information displays by serial or video signals. Technical supervision, carriage identification, standalone data acquisition, controlling subsystems, data transfer to management-level control systems. The integration of LOC and COE into a unified and cooperative train supervisory system. By connecting the locomotive onboard computer with the carriage onboard equipment by the UIC connection cables, we have formed the backbone of the train supervisory system. The next step is to add more intelligence to the system, that is to say, we have to enable the information flow between the center servers and the TSS by the applications developed and the communication channels and protocols put in place. It is possible to create numerous further applications depending on the depth of the additional processes and the demands emerging. For the fulfillment of the above functions, the TSS should be modular, extendable, able to support different communication platforms, easily integrated, able to communicate with existing subsystems, able to implement further applications and software developments. At the conclusion of the R&D project, it can be stated that our predetermined objectives have been achieved, and now we can offer a well-established concept for MÁV Hungarian Railways to get closer to delivering a 21st century level service for public transport.